Oh, hey there. Welcome to 3D Printing Nerd Studios, proudly powered by PCBWay. PCB, CNC, and 3D printing. It's all at PCBWay.com. And we've got a 3D printing project ahead of us, and I've got the filaments in. From the top, we've got Army Red, Sunrise Orange, Savannah Yellow, Forest Green, Sapphire Blue, Lavender Purple, Cotton White, and Charcoal Black. These filaments from Polymaker are all to print something amazing that I've been wanting to do for a long time.
It's a what? What is it?
The print project is Majora's Mask from The Legend of Zelda, this multicolor, insane print that lots of people have done. Now it's my turn. And the model that I'm using is a remix. So I went to Printables, where user 7alive put together the mask files for printing on the Snapmaker U1. That's the machine that I want to use. The model on Printables is remixed from a model over on MakerWorld by user Samby. Samby put together a model for printing on a machine such as the H2C, where it has 6 nozzles in the vortex system and 1 on the left. The Snapmaker has 4 tools, which means you have to remix things a certain way so that you're only printing with 4 colors at a time. And that's what happened. Well, let's load all of these files up into Snorka, the Snapmaker fork of Orca, and let's get this printed out. Hey! The prints are done, and they look insane. There's the eyes. Stay. There's all these bits. Those bits. It doesn't look like much yet, but it was really cool to print. And what I like about the Snapmaker U1 is how refined the process is, because I loaded files, I loaded filaments, and I hit print. The Snapmaker also reduces the amount of waste, which is kind of cool. It does have transition towers and purge towers, just ways of making sure the nozzle is correct with pressure before something prints. So you can't get away from that unless you tune things really precisely. But as far as like the purge waste goes, pretty good. The other reason I wanted to use the Snapmaker U1 is because my buddy Duron from Ibos 3D, he gave me a special build plate. It has the 3D Printing Nerd logo on it, and it's reversible, and on the other side it says #high5, which is just perfect. And it was able to hold on to things really well. I mean, it's still, let's see. Duron, thank you again for this build plate. It worked great for this project. I'll put a link in the description if anybody is interested in getting one of these for their Snapmaker or the other machines that they offer it for. Support removal should be pretty easy. I did have these bits, which I had already removed the support from, and I just polluted my workspace with a bunch of little bits, but that's okay. We can get through this.
My spoon is too big.
And so if we take a look at that, there's the support right there, and you should be, yep, it just comes right off. That's brilliant. Okay, let's do this. Most of the supports I got out of this already. You can kind of tell. There are supports in these tiny little areas. I'm gonna see if I can't coax those out. Oh, that's gonna be trouble. All right. All right, game on then, my friend. Wisps and little bits of filament that don't belong on there, we can use some flame to get rid of those. Obviously, don't burn yourself, but fire is a wonderful tool for FFF style 3D printing, because you can really just kind of enhance the model a bit and get rid of any strays and just make things look better. And you don't have to spend a lot of time in any one area. You just want to get off the little stuff. The other thing is the eyes. So within the profile that is provided, they're like this on the build plate because they want them to be more detail. And they said that they can achieve a lot greater detail. Mine still look okay. They're just a little wispy. So what I want to do is hit one with fire, and let's see. According to the instructions, this has to be glued or glooped together. And what I can do is put together the sides and then gloop them together, and then have ourselves a fully assembled Majora's Mask. These little triangles here, they get pushed in to these places. I don't want to break anything. Ugh.
A few moments later.
Found a mallet. This should all be worth it. Yes! Yes! Oh! Yes. So there's one side of it. I am going to gloop this on. While that's setting up, and before I show you, I'm just going to take some fire and run it across, get any last wispies. Here is Majora's Mask from the Snapmaker U1 using all sorts of wonderful Polymaker material. Look at that. Look, it's beautiful. This is incredible. This looks so good. This looks amazing. And I'm so thankful we live at a time where I can take things from my childhood and bring them into real life. This one probably doesn't have any magical powers, but that's okay. We can try again.
Next time.
This was cool. I'm really happy I was able to bring you this. This is a project on the Snapmaker U1. This is something you can print as well. And I'll put links to the models, this one and the one on Maker World down below. Depending on the machine you have, you should totally print this. I will also put the Polymaker filaments that I used in case you want to use these colors as well. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Well, listen, thanks for watching. If you made this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. Fight for a cause you believe in. Literally print all the things. And as always, high five.